Hey everybody, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Woodworks, and today we're putting together pipe clamps. Check it out.
The first step is to lay out everything you're going to need. 3/4 inch pipes, a scraper, paste wax, mineral spirits, latex gloves, clean rags, and 3/4 inch pipe clamps. I start by removing the bulk of the labels by using a small scraper. Once you have all the labels and tape removed, take a clean cloth and wipe down the pipe with some mineral spirits. Make sure to pay special attention to the areas with any leftover adhesive. Go over the pipe with a clean rag one last time to make sure it is dry and there is no leftover black residue coming off the pipe. To keep any glue from sticking to the pipe during glue-ups, I will take another clean cloth and apply a few coats of paste wax to the pipe and then buff them clean. After applying the paste wax, I thread the top piece of the pipe clamp to one side of the black pipe and then slide the bottom piece up from the opposite side of the pipe. The only limitation to these clamps is the length of the pipe that you use.
Well, that's it. That was a quick, simple, easy project to do. Take care of your clamps. They're going to take care of you. They're going to last a long time. They're not going to rust, and they're going to be easy to clean up any glue slop. If you liked the video and maybe you learned something, click the like button below. If you're not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button. We'd love to have you back here for the next video. And we appreciate you coming by. Stay tuned for new projects coming out in the shop progress. And I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Come back soon and take care.